Hi everyone, I'm Akshaya and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Surya Namaskar. This is my favorite warm up before doing any exercise or yoga pose. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Stand at the front of your mat. Face towards east if possible. As you exhale, join your palms together. Breathe. As you inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch your hands to the back. Exhale, bend forward, lengthen your spine and touch your toes. Drop your head, relax your neck. As you inhale, take your right leg back, right knee on the ground and look straight with your head. Ensure that your left knee is 90-degree angle and two palms are on the ground. From this position, hold your breath, bring your left leg back and come to a plank position. Ensure not to raise your hips too high or low. Make sure your body is in a straight line. Exhale, put your knees down and feel like you're doing a push-up and put your chest down and chin down on the ground. Inhale, push your hips down. Raise your body, look up with your head. Ensure to relax your shoulders and elbows. Don't tense them. Exhale and lift up to make an inverted V. Lengthen your spine. Inhale, bring your right leg forward and look straight with your head. Exhale, bring your left leg forward. Try to touch your toes or put your palms on your ground. Lengthen your spine. Relax your neck and head. Inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch to the back. Don't drop your neck. Exhale and join your palms together. So now we have completed a half round of Surya Namaskar, that is for the right side, and now let us do for the left side. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, raise your hands up, stretch back. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, bring your left leg back and look straight. Ensure that your right leg is in 90 degrees. Hold your breath, bring your right leg back and do a plank position. Exhale, put your knees down, chest down and chin down. Inhale, raise your body and look up with your head. Exhale, raise your hips up and make an inverted V. Inhale, bring your left leg forward and look straight. Exhale, bring your right leg forward and touch your toes. Inhale, raise your hands up, stretch back. Exhale and join your palms together. So this is a complete round of a Surya Namaskar. Try to do this daily for greater results. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.